Alright folks, we're just going to take a look at doing the PSM. We're going to take this PSM from 14.4, 14.2 to 14.4, 14.6, I mean. So that's 14.4, 14.2 to 14.6. So let's jump into this PSM. Okay, so we've got the location, we've got the installation directory. Basically click Run Administrator. It's going to moan at us about what we need to do. We still need to stop the services, and let's see whether it asks us to do anything. In the meantime, let's get going. Okay. Verifying the .NET. Let's wait for this to finish. Here we go. Okay, we need to shut down services, which I was expecting anyway. So let's have a look. There we go, we can stop it. Let's go back there. Click OK. Click Next. And so the Oracle client is being updated now. And the codecs. Extracting your cap file for you. So it's basically installing and copying across some stuff. Click Next. That's our set. We haven't changed any config, so it's all the same. And we're going to get into the next part. Installing the services, which are already there. It's just updating probably. And once that finishes, there we go. So our vault and our administrator password. I haven't installed TLS, so I'm leaving that. That's my vault server, UVWA. Okay, so we connect next. Okay, so now we're going to update and install. I don't have any of this enabled. So we're going to go next. And we want to run hardening. Hardening we need to check. Accounts. Yeah, we get logged out. So we'll wait for that to finish. As soon as the administrator user logs in, you get logged out generally. So you should always actually check that you're logged out before upgrading with the account username that you're using to install with. Okay. Okay, so once this finishes, depending on whether you run your hardening, so if you've got your hardening done. Go to the hardening here. If you have run your app locker, but if you've run your app locker with your check your stuff here. If you've got any changes, also back those up sometimes. If you run your app locker script with in-domain users, check that and verify. Make sure you run your app locker afterwards. But always rerun your hardening scripts. Always. Because you can have somebody who's come along and change settings for you. And then you won't run your hardening and your machine will be compromised. Okay, so again, I'm going to go no. I'm going to run my hardening script. It's best to actually do your hardening afterwards. Let's go check our hardening file first. So, run hardening, yes, that's no, that's fine, no, that's fine. After running hardening script, that's fine. Set up app locker rules, that's fine. Install, that's fine. Is update required? It's fine. Okay, that's fine. We're not actually going to make any changes to this one. Then we're going to go right click, rename, Control C. So if you've run your hardening with in-domain users, make sure that you've updated that, run that script afterwards. So then you'll go here, back to installation hardening, then you'll run your configuration here. So if you've edited your PSM file correctly, and that sort of stuff. And then if you've got customizations, check those as well. So if you've done editing for your downloading in Chrome, make sure you check those as well. And then it's almost finished. Okay, all looks good. Let's restart the server now. It restarts, let's sign into here. After this, it's troubleshooting, testing and troubleshooting, which you can do on your own. We're just checking that it's connected. Once it connects, we will check it. Okay, there we go. Let's check our PVWA. Refresh. Let's check out our services. Start it. Okay, looks good so far. Let's refresh. That's basically the upgrade for the PTA. So there we go, 14.6. We will now be doing, shortly we'll be doing the PSMP to 14.2. It hasn't connected, so I'll sort that out and get that working again. And that's basically the upgrade to 14.6 for the PSM. And it's quite a simple upgrade. Haven't seen any issues so far with the upgrade on the PSM server. So that's about it. Thank you.